Yo, Heiltsuk Nation. My name is Erin Stewart from Indigenous Clean Energy and member of the Heiltsuk Climate Action Team. Today, I'd like to talk to you about one of our 12 Heiltsuk Climate Action solutions, passive house kits. So what is a passive house? A passive house is designed to be extremely energy efficient, so it does not take a lot of power to heat and cool. This means we will use less diesel to power homes, and the house overall would have a smaller ecological footprint on the planet. Heiltsuk people have been constructing wood homes for 14,000 years and intend to continue to do so. However, due to institutional barriers to funding and complications for contracting, it has made it difficult for Heiltsuk families to have new homes constructed on recently created lots. This passive house solution provides an opportunity for Heiltsuk people to build homes in a way that is most suitable to the community. To start, we will host a community event to identify home-based activities that are central to the Heiltsuk way of life. We will then work with passive house expert partners that will help us to plan a house that is suitable for Heiltsuk culture, is simple to construct, uses supplies locally, and meets passive house standards. Our partners will provide us with a detailed plans for the house, as well as an illustrative step-by-step guide and training videos on how to assemble these house kits. We will then ship the kits to Bella Bella and deliver hands-on training to builders during the construction. We would love to hear your opinion and perspectives on this project at heiltsucclimateaction.ca. By completing the survey, you will also be entered in to win some amazing prizes. So, Haíťuk for listening and Haíťuk for participating.